2020 has been a very challenging year for many companies, Chinese companies, British companies. It's been a global pandemic, and it's been a global economic, challenge for the world. So, I think when it comes to CIFTIS, it's a very important time of the year in terms of, it comes at a good time. It comes at a time when people are looking for signals of confidence in terms of the market returning to normal here in China. And I think China is certainly one of the key global growth drivers at the moment, and has been for many years. And especially at this point in 2020, is China has got on top of the pandemic situation here in country, and it's allowing companies and the economy to get back into gear. And CIFTIS, for me, is a sort of signal that this is, we're now at the stage where we can do large-scale events in China. We can start putting out positive signals into the market, and we have a number of UK companies who are going to be taking part in this year's CIFTIS who are taking the opportunity to get involved and promote their companies. So it's I think for me it's a positive indicator. Trade in services is very important for the UK. The UK economy is a service economy to a large extent, and obviously China is looking to move its economy more towards services. So we see a lot of compatibility between the UK and China in this regard. And the UK has also been operating at a surplus in terms of our trade and services with China over the last 10 years, and this is a surplus that is growing. So it's been quite a sort of positive story in terms of the UK's development here in China, but we feel there's still a long way to go in terms of the potential. So I think CIFTIS is a good sort of opportunity for UK companies to realise some of that potential and meet with new partners and stakeholders and be part of China's story in terms of growing the service sector here domestically.